Hello guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So today I have come with a new video tutorial for you, that is how to measure distance remotely in maps using AutoCAD. So how to measure the distance in map using our AutoCAD. So let's start this tutorial. So you can see that I have come with my AutoCAD 2020 I'm using. So what I need to do means, just you can see this, before going to measure the distance in map using your AutoCAD, before going to do that you need to sign into your Autodesk account. So just go for sign in, and you need to have your internet connection as well as. So I'm going to proceed. If you do not have sign into your Autodesk account, it won't measure. So if you have created your Autodesk account, then just log in with the same account. If you do not have created your Autodesk account, so go for create account. And if you have doubt, so I have made that video on this tutorial. You can go through the description box, you can get it from there. So now I'm going to log in with the Autodesk account. So this is Prem Romiar 65 at the rate what you have made, you just go through that .com. So go for enter it. Now password, so what you have kept password for it, just go with that. So I'm going to use my own password, so you can use your own. So you can see that I have logged in, means I have signed in with this Prem Roniar account. Now what I need to do means, see here update profile and preference. No need to go all of this. First of all, what you need to do before going to start measuring the maps distances in your AutoCAD, you need to log in your Autodesk account first, the main major thing for that. Now you need to go for that insert. Now you can see this type of panel will open. Go to the set location, just you can see right of the set location, you can see one arrow is there, just go and click that arrow. Now what your map, so from map, so I need to click on the map. So here you can see that from file, so I'm using from map, so go and click it there. It will take time to loading, no need to worry. See, it is about to open it. Now you can see geographic location, specify location page. So actually I have already this, so that it comes like this, so no need to go there. Whatever the place you want to measure in your Autodesk, just go and search it here. So I'm going to measure this like Visakhapatnam Stadium. So just write Visakhapatnam Cricket Stadium. So I will take the near places of there, so that enter it. Now you can see it's loading. So you can see this is the stadium in Visakhapatnam. As you can see, once you are zooming using your mouse, you can see that this is Dr. Y.S. Rajasekhar Reddy ACA VDCA Cricket Stadium, which exists in the Visakhapatnam. Now what I need to do means, I need to measure this beside of this left of this stadium. I want to measure this plot. So how to drag it means, your mouse is there, right? Now what you need to do, just click with your left click it left, and do not leave it. You just press it and drag it wherever you want to drag, whenever you want to measure the distance, right? Now I have dragging, means I have just holding my left key from my mouse, and just I am dragging, nothing I am doing. For sliding, for seeing the places here, right? You can see, if you want to zoom out, zoom in, you may all have known about this. So if I am going to zoom in, you can see this is clearly visible. Your land is this plot area is clearly visible. So this is the Pothini na Malaya Palam road. So this is the distance or the area I need to measure here. So this will really helps to you that measuring. You can measure the stadium diameter also, because you know the things, the stadium is in circular, right? So you need to measure in radius or diameter. You can measure it. Now you can find the area. You know the method of finding the area of circle pi r square. By using the that method you can find it. Now I need to measure this land. As you can see, this one, this rectangle here to here, as I am showing with my cursor. Now here you can see left of this side, you can see found one result. So Cricket Stadium Road, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, right? This is the postal address. Drop marker here. So click it in drop. Now see, this red one is coming, right? Now what you need to do means you just click it anywhere of this. So just drag it. You just keep your cursor here and just hold your or pressing long press of your right means left click and just drag it up to here. This is your drop marker, right? Just leave your mouse. Now you can see I want to measure this area. Now what I need to do, what is the next step for doing this? So the main measurement will be in which, so if you want to measure these distances in feet or meter or centimeter, that's depend on you. Now I am going to tell you the next step for that. Now you can see in the bottom, you can see my cursor, right? Mouse, see latitude, longitude, elevation. So down of this you can see next, just go for the next. It is loading, no need to worry at all. Now you can see this is the name, reference, unit. So this all works on GIS, right? You can see GIS coordinate system, this all are based on the GIS, means this works according to GIS coordinate system, means geostationary satellite, right? Now this all are using by the sensors. These all are the using by the remote sensors. So where it is, so wherever you can take, but I am going to take it as my Nepal. So where is the Nepal? Just go and search it. So here you can't find it. So see here, India in Nepal, you can get it here. Nepal in the Nepal 15 meter. Just go and click it here. So after that, the second step, what you need to do means time zone. Just go for the time zone, and for Nepal, the capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Just go for Kathmandu. So no need to worry. If you are measuring the distance of Visakhapatnam, then it should be in India and it should be in Andhra Pradesh. It is not mandatory, right? So what you need to do, just go for Kathmandu. Where is the Kathmandu? See here, this is the time zone for the Kathmandu. Now drawing unit, in which unit you want to work. So I need to work in feet. So reset the unit of the map to matching the unit of the drawing. Okay. Now you can see, go for the again next. Now you can see what it says, geographic location. Geographic location, select a point for the location. See, now click anywhere of your screen. So I have clicked it here. Now you can see, now what it says, specify the north direction angle or the first point, north. So what is the north side? You can see this, north, south, west, east. So north is upper side, right? Go and click it upper. So you can see, if I have clicked in upper, my previous image, what I have selected means which images I have drop marked, it comes. So you can see it comes. Now this image covers a lot, means it covers many more things. It covers the all of the Visakhapatnam, right? But if for my sake of view, for easy of my sake of view, what I need to do means I will select the sum of the area, right? If I will select the sum of the area, that will be better for me. So accept this all, I need to remove this all, accept these things. So let me show you. See, and I need to tell you some of the commands here over here. You can see this is the edit location. So this drop mark which I have set here, that I can be edited. So reoriented of the marker. So if I do this, so I can reorient it, means I can replace one place to another again. Remove location, this location will be removed, so I need not to do like that. Now mark position, so this will be the mark position, that is not the matter. So a map aerial, so the map aerial used for the this type of what are the things are existing, map road, These are for the map roads. So map hybrid, these are also the combination between them. Map off. So I'm going to tell you about the map off. So captured area. Captured means, as you can see, all of you are using your smartphone, right? You all have known that what is the capture, what is the click. If you click, the sum of the area will be covered in one click, right? So in the same way, I need to capture area, not the capture viewport. I will tell you about this capture viewport also. Just go for the capture area, just click it. Now how much area you need to cover? So I need to measure this rectangle, right? So for my sake of it, I will take this all. So you can see I have dragged it. This area will become. So if I will go to the map area and I will map off, see, I have got this point only, but you can see that some of the part has been removed from here. So go for the undo, Control Z, once again, once again, once again. Now again go for the captured area. So I need to cover this all part, right? Skip it, go for the captured area. Now from here I need to do this. Yes, this is fine. Now go for the map off. Now I have got this area, right? So it will zoom, no need to worry. Now the main thing of you are thinking that I have told you the lot of things, but I didn't tell you how to measure this. So let's come with the measuring tool. Go for the home. Now how to measure this distance means this rectangular distance. So how could you? So you can use up the rectangle also, but the very good for the polyline, using the polyline. So just go to this. Now just go with this, just go with this. Mind this, your ortho shoot off. So just go with this. What are the area you want to measure, you can go with that. This will be up to here. So this is not the completely rectangle. So here, escape it. Now you have got this, right? So what you need to do, escape it. You have got this area, right? Now you just, you can see that it has been increased somewhat. So I need to decrease it little more. So now it's fine. So you can see I need to measure this. So here also do some correction. This is the very precise. We are measuring the distance in remotely, means we are not present there. Remotely means without contact, without the physical contact we are measuring the distances, right? Now I need to measure the this rectangle distance. How could I? Just go for the linear command here, linear distance measurement. Just go to the end point. Here you can see, but I need to measure this in which units? In feet. Go for un, enter it. Now what you need to do, make it decimal as a architectural, inches as a inches. Go for ok. Now go for d, enter. Go to the modify panel, modify tool, and now go to the symbols will be, arrow size will be 6 inches. Now text would be how much? 10 inches will be good. Primary units, this should not be decimal because we are using our feet and inches. So just go for it. Okay, go for the set current, close it. Now just click it here. See how much it comes. This is 31 feet 9 hole 1 by 4 inches, right? In the same way I need to do for all. So repetition of the command, go for a space bar. This is how much you can see. So before that, go to increase your text, d, modify text. This 10 inch should be 15 inches. That will be good for us. Just go for ok, go for the set current. Now close it. Now you can see 38 feet. Now again go for this. Now go for again dimension. Now measure this, how much it comes. So it is 49 feet something inches. In the same way we need to go for this also. So see, this is also 45 feet, some 11 whole 5 by 16 inches. So this is the way of measuring your distances remotely. Wherever you are, it doesn't matter. You can measure your distance from anywhere. And now what you need to do, if you need this rectangle, right? Now go to delete these dimensions. In the same way you can measure the diameter of the stadium also. Go for deletion of this. Now if you need this rectangle means you have got it. Now you can see geolocation, you go for it. Now remove location. Do you want to remove location data and assign to coordinate system from the drawing? Yes. So this is the way of doing this. I have removed my this one. So you can see this. Go for escape it. Now you have measured the distance of this. In the same way you can measure all of these distances, right? I have removed my location and I'm going to work on this. So in the same way you can see I have set locations from here. Previously it was showing that my geolocation, right? But now it does not come because I have removed my location, so that it's not coming. So now you can got it here, right? Now what I need to do means I got the area, means this is not completely rectangle, but I got this plot area and I need to work on this. So what I need to do means, you can see it here in this view also. In the isometric view also you can see it. See, this is the isometric view. So here you can go to the, what I need to do means I need to take that rectangle. So again I need to go for the 2D wireframe and this custom, go for the top. So I got this plot area. I don't need anything. What I need to take that, I was just knowing this. I just need this. So I need to remove all of this, right? So just go to the boundary. In this boundary you can click anywhere of this corner. If I have clicked it here, now go for delete. So you have got this area. So this is the plot area of that stadium beside the plot. Now here also you can measure. Go to home, go to the distance measure, here to here how much you have got. Again go for the space bar. Now you can get it in the same way. And now you can work it. So you can see the all of this distance. So this is not the accurate, but this is the remotely we have done. So this is almost the same. So if you like this tutorial, then please subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel then, and please like this video and press the bell icon for getting more updates regarding our channel. Thanks for watching our tutorial.